Last time I learned that AI predicts the next token, and I thought, cool, I get it. Then I stopped for a second. Wait, what's a token? Right? I realized I've been using the word without actually knowing what it really meant. So I decided to figure it out. My assumption seemed obvious. I thought one word equals one token. So if I wrote, I love pizza, I expected AI to see three tokens. One token for each word that I typed. Simple? Well, turns out that's not how it works. So I went looking. I found that OpenAI has something called a tokenizer. So it's a tool basically that shows you exactly how AI breaks down text before it starts generating anything. So I opened it, typed in a few simple sentences, and just watched what happened. That was the moment everything started to make sense. Some words stayed together, some words got split into smaller pieces. Even punctuations became its own token. That's when it finally clicked. AI isn't reading English the way I read English, right? Before AI predicts anything, it first breaks down into smaller pieces. Those pieces are nothing but the tokens. The analogy that finally made sense to me was Lego. Imagine we are both looking at a Lego castle. You and I look at a castle, but AI doesn't. It sees thousands of tiny Lego bricks, one brick, then another, then another. Tokens are those bricks. Basically, AI builds every sentence one token at a time. Once I understood that, a lot of things I have been hearing suddenly made sense. The context windows, the token limits, why AI companies charge by the tokens instead of words. I used to hear these terms, but I never really understood what they meant. But now I do. Everything starts with tokens. One thing I've already realized is that every answer creates another question. I thought learning AI would be about memorizing definitions. Instead, it's been about changing the way I think. And honestly, that's been a lot more fun than I expected. So today, I learned what a token is. But now I have another question. If AI breaks everything into tokens first, how does it decide which token should come next? Every answer seems to create another question, and honestly, it's been becoming my favorite part of learning AI. That's what I'm going to be learning next. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.